Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Quark is a very popular ingredient in a lot of delicious German recipes. In this video, I will show you how to make homemade quark from scratch. Add the milk and the buttermilk to a large glass bowl. Stir well and cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel. Then let the mixture sit at room temperature for about 24 hours. The mixture will thicken slightly. Heat the oven to 125 degrees Fahrenheit and then shut it off. Set the bowl uncovered into the oven for about 45 minutes. Add a cheesecloth or a kitchen towel to a colander and set it into a large bowl. Then pour the milk mixture into the colander, twist the ends and let it drain for about 1.5 to 2 hours. The quark will end up in the towel and the whey will be in the bowl. You can store the quark in an airtight container for up to a week in the fridge. Try some of our German recipes with homemade German quark and let us know how it turned out. Guten Appetit!